Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're working on the Scion. They're the same from 2011 to 2018, I believe. And I'm going to be changing the spark plugs on them. So I got these NGK Iridium IX. That's the part number 4 of them. They're quite pricey, almost $13 each. I'm going to check the Amazon, and then I'm going to link them in the description below. So if I'm going to find the cheapest ones, and I'm going to link them in the description below. They're Iridium spark plugs, pretty much they're what the factory is. So yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to change them, and also checking the gap on them. Make sure the gaps is at the spec. Okay, so first things first, the spec for the gap is 0.044 of an inch and or 1.1 millimeters. So I got this is the closest one I have 0.045, so that should not fit in the gap. Let's test it. Yep, it doesn't fit. There's 0.40, which is a little bit smaller, and it does. So these look like they're pre-gapped, so you don't have to gap these. They're pretty good. So yeah, these should not be gapped. Most of the spark plugs you don't have to, but I like to check still. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna remove the old coil packs or the coil packs, and then remove the old spark plugs. So it's just a 10mm bolt on each coil, and then just unplug it. You have to be careful with these. If you press them and they don't want to come off, just lift them from here, just a little bit with the flathead screwdriver, and then just pull on it. And be careful, don't break it. And then yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know also what size socket I use for the spark plugs. Okay, so what you will need is a 5/8 spark plug socket with a little rubber insert with an extension and 3/8 ratchet, and then also a 10mm. I use this one, but you can use just a regular 10mm socket. And then I have a little flathead that, just in case when I press on these buttons they don't come off, I just insert it, lift it a little bit, and just pull it out from there. So you lift it with 2 hands, it's a lot easier. But yeah, because sometimes when you press these they don't want to release and you end up breaking them. So I just kind of grab it right there, insert it, lift it, and then just pull on the connector. It comes right out. So yeah, I'm gonna take out all the 10mm bolts right now, disconnect all the connectors, I like to set these in order, so I'm going to take the coils out, set them in order, and then take the spark plugs out and then replace them. Okay, so once you guys put the spark plugs back in, screw them in or hand tight, and then grab one of these and just hold your arm right here. Don't hold it pretty far, hold it right there, and just get it, like once it gets snug, just give it a little turn, and that's it. Do not try to tighten like the heck out of it, and do not grab your right here, because that's a lot of leverage. You won't feel the tightness. Just grab it right there and just kind of get a snug. If that's it. The spark plugs do not need to be really tight in there, because if they get stuck, if you need to change them again, they get stuck in the head, then you kind of screw yourself. So yeah, just give it a good snug, and that's it on all of them. And then yeah, put the connectors back on, and then 10mm bolts. I'm about to tighten those really quick, and that's it. Okay, now that we're finished, last thing to do is to get in the car, start it up, make sure it runs good. Let's just close it. Yeah, runs great. I think it runs a lot smoother, because before, like when it would idle, it would kind of vibrate a little bit, and the RPM would kind of, you know, when it would drop, it would like kind of vibrate the car a little bit. Right now it runs a lot smoother, and when you give it gas too, the revs are a lot smoother. So anyways, yeah, that's how you change your spark plugs. This is gonna be a pretty short video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, comment in the comments below. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as usual, see you next time.